Here's Hard Rock Cafe. So we're right here at Broadway at the beach. Our destination is on the left. We might stop by Wet Willies and for a minute, maybe not. We're coming down this way. We usually don't get on this side of Broadway that often, but we're coming to hopefully check out Ron John's. We'll see if they're open and what's going on there. Look, ice cream candy. Check it out.
That looks good. Might have to go in there.
All right, here's those nice trees they put in recently. It's Kilwin's Chocolates Fudge Ice Cream.
Oh, wow.
Is it real big? Yeah, there's Ron John's. Here's your mermaids.
Oh, yeah, those are cute.
Here's Ron John Surf Shop. Look at that fountain. So, looks like the sign says Mediterranean Village. So that's where we need to come in if you're coming to Ron John's, to the Mediterranean Village. Let's see what it looks like on the inside here. Well, that was Ron John's. We were looking for something specific for a shirt that they didn't have at this time. We're going to check them back later to see. Right now, I think we're heading to Wet Willies, right? Wet Willies. Let's go find out what Wet Willies has to offer. Because the last time I was there, I thought I was having a heart attack, but it was just because it was so cold. It froze my innards. Let's see, this way to Wet Willies. There's that King Kong sushi.
And we gotta go to the stupid factory.
Yeah. We gotta go to the stupid factory.
We could cook and just horse around too.
Just horsing around. Let's go find out what they have. Alright, let's go check out Wet Willies with no concealed weapons. Let's check this. Whew, Wet Willies.
Oh, I'm on an attitude improvement, a small.
An attitude improvement?
Mm-hmm.
And I think I got, was it the Superman last time? I think it was. Yeah, let me get a sample, make sure. All right. Here's a sample of the Superman, right?
That what it tastes like?
Just like NyQuil, I like it. I'll take one of these. That's called the Superman, right? They got all assortment of flavors. And the Weak Willie. We'll make sure we don't get the Weak Willie. Alright, with a quick stop at Wet Willies, we're about to hit our next destination here at Broadway at the beach. And I do believe it's the Stupid Factory. Is that it? Stupid Factory. And there's a reason for that. Alright, there's Good Times Charlie's Restaurant and Bar. We're going to have to try that out one day because I don't think we've ever eaten there, have we? You can get your airbrush tattoo. A three-wheel water bike. That's why I was just looking at that blue one over there.
Yeah.
Want your other water bikes? Check it out.
So yeah, just have to stay around here, I guess.
Yeah. There's several places here that are.
The fudgery.
Oh, the fudgery, yeah. And there's the Stupid Factory.
Yep.
Look at that. Blue Country Popcorn. Stupid in, stupid out. Well,
You never know.
if you look up there, you'll see a major storm coming in. So we're going to get into this Stupid Factory and hope, I guess our trip might be cut short again. Well, as you can see, the rain came in faster than we thought, but guess what? People are still out and about, walking in it, shopping here at Broadway at the beach. And don't know what our next stop is.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
The rain came back, a little bit stronger than it was the first time, but we're gonna try to slide into Roosters, get something to eat. Let's go check out Roosters. Everybody gets rained on. Note to self, bring an umbrella to the beach. Not just a beach umbrella either. Alright, we stopped in at Roosters. We're gonna check it out. And it's a small one too. Mama! Alright, we just made it out of Roosters. We let the rain let up just a little bit, but it may come back. I hear it thundering. We got a burger, salad. We may show the salad and burger, but it was kind of expensive for a salad. But I don't know. It is what it is. But it let us get out of the rain a little bit. We're gonna now head to the beach and have some fun if the rain will let us. I'm glad you enjoyed this little day trip. Sorry it got cut short, but until next time,
keep beaching.
What she said.
Somebody just fell.
Somebody just fell.